Dear Africa, this is a love letter. Your beauty is so deep, it's undeniable. Your magic is real. You spread your allure across your 54 countries, each one as ethereal as the next. Your beauty secrets have been preserved and passed down with care, with confidence, with community. We celebrate and elevate these sacred beauty rituals, these African beauty rituals. African beauty is a way to describe the ecosystem in which these butters, oils, and extracts have been created. African beauty focuses on the intention, purpose, and community involved in creating these materials and honors the rituals and people that have inspired them. Your beauty is timeless and forever. We appreciate you, we celebrate you, we see you. From 54 Thrones with love.